Okay, this is going to be a short video explaining how you get access to your online exercise prescription program I would have written for you and how to use it when you actually get there. So from my homepage, you go into Services, click on Services, and you will see Webexercise Login. Click that button. You'll then get pushed through to another page. Now, from this page, Webexercise would have sent you your login details, and it will be your email address that you have registered with me, and then your password they would have sent you in a previous email. So it wouldn't be from me, your password, it will be from this company. So make sure to look for that in your spam tray. Click on Secure Login, and now we're through to a page, an example page of somebody who's got an issue with an Achilles. Try to avoid using View Summary. You can use that at the end of your program when you've completed it, but I need you to click on this button here, Start Program. So front page is an example of all the exercises, but when you click on this button here, it allows us to take you through the program like I was stood by your side as a personal trainer. So this is the exercise. You're going to do one set 3 times, and you're going to hold it for 30 seconds, and you're going to try to do it daily. If you need to watch the video, just click the button there and you'll get to watch the video. If you're more of a reader, learner, you've got the explanations, short explanations of how to do the exercise at the bottom there. So for example, let's say I was doing this exercise today. I've got my 1 set, and I'm going to set my timer because I need to hold this exercise for 30 seconds. We saw that written up here. So your timer's already been set. I have set that for you. So you can use this as your timer as well. Now during the exercise, there'll be a couple of things that I'll need feedback on, and one of them is going to be pain level. So when you're doing the exercise, you will then need to, when you've completed this exercise, you'll need to choose a pain level, which is out of 10. 0 being no pain, 10 being too much pain. When the timer finishes, it will let you know that it's done and you've done your 30 seconds. Now what you can do is click, you're moving on to number 2. And what we can do is reset our timer here and start again. And again, when you finish the exercise program, just let me know how that feels for you. You then move on to the next exercise. We now have a soleus calf stretch. It's 1 set, 3 reps, 30 seconds, holding, and it's going to be done daily. Again, you can watch the video. Again, you've got your reps and sets down here and your timer. And you just keep going until you complete your full program. And then you can, at this button at the end there, you can review your program. And there's your program. And we've only got one part here registered because that was the only one we played with for this example video of how to use it. And that's it. You are then done. You can also give me a little bit of feedback here. How was your workout? Very easy, moderate. You skipped it. You're having a lazy day. But you can also give me other comments in here, like you had a large bike ride, you had a trip a couple of days before, and then all you need to do is record that program. That then gets submitted to me. You just heard my watch bleep to tell me that you have submitted a program. So there is your example on how to use Webexercise with regards to your prescribed programs I would have given you. Email me if you've got any questions or need any more feedback. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.